Plan for your septic system before you move so you do not inherit expensive failures. Locate the septic tank and the drain field as soon as possible by checking property records, asking the seller, or using a probing rod and tank finder device. Knowing exact positions prevents accidental damage during moving or landscaping. If a system history is unknown, schedule a professional inspection and pumping before or immediately after move-in to remove solids that could cause backups. Inspectors will measure sludge and scum levels and assess baffle and distribution box condition. Conserve water aggressively in the first weeks by spreading laundry across days using low-flow fixtures and avoiding long showers to reduce hydraulic load on the system while you learn its capacity. Do not allow heavy vehicles, moving trucks, or storage of packed items to drive or sit on the drain field because compaction and damage to piping can cause uneven flow or collapse of lines. Keep chemicals out of the system, including harsh drain cleaners and excessive bleach, because they can kill the beneficial bacteria that treat waste and shorten the life of the drain field. If you plan major landscaping or an addition, map the system clearly and get permits before digging or building to prevent costly relocations or repairs. Common mistakes are parking movers or storage containers over the drain field, which compacts soil and breaks pipes, so always mark and enforce no drive zones with cones and signs. Another frequent issue is assuming the seller maintained the system when records are missing, so do not skip an inspection and pump even if the system looks fine, because problems often are unseen until overloaded. People also underestimate water use after moving and run multiple loads of laundry or host housewarming events, which overloads the system. Stagger washing and let the system rest by spacing high-demand activities. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and resources related to septic care and moving house, so we can help you find professionals and community advice. We host a discussion community where our members share experiences, recommendations, and practical tips for preparing a septic system when relocating.